Sheep. The average longevity of a sheep is 10 to 12 years. However, a sheep can be calculated by looking at the front teeth of a sheep in its beginning years of life. After each set of teeth is completed, and it will only appear when the sheep are 4 years old. Monkey. In nature, monkeys rarely live until it's old. It cannot age. Monkeys can live up to 20 years, sometimes even 30 years. Monkeys in nature might be hunted, they have to look to the environment. Monkeys that are kept in a cage, they don't have to deal with those changes and they usually live for longer. 30 years.